Hey guys, it's Becky and welcome back to my channel. Now, I just want to clarify a couple of things before starting this video. One, I have a cold, but I'm going to try really hard to minimise the amount of times I actually sniff. And two, yes, I am wearing a Christmas jumper in August, but I wish it could be Christmas every day. So we're just going to have to look past that. So today's video is actually not a planned video. My dad came up to me a couple of days ago and said to me he's pre-ordered a new Samsung Tab S4. And if I behave myself, probably saw this on Twitter, you follow me on Twitter as well, he'll let me unbox it for a video. Now I admit I had no idea this even existed, let alone when it was actually meant to be coming out. So this video wasn't planned at all until like a couple of days ago and he mentioned it. Today's video is going to be me unboxing a brand new Tab S4. And just like the Alexa, I won't actually get to use this after I've unboxed it, but at least I get to unbox it for a video, so it's not all bad. But anyway, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to unbox this box and actually take it out of packaging so you guys can see the actual packaging for it. So just bear with me, it does tend to take me a while to do this, and then when I actually get it open, I'll get back to you.
A few moments later.
Okay, I admit that took me a lot quicker than I thought it was going to today, so we're doing well. I don't know if you guys can see this, but inside this blue bag here, I'm guessing it's either the tablet or the packaging of the tablet. Now, I don't know how long it's going to take me to get it open. It seems to be like stuck at the bottom box at the moment. I might be like a security measure though, so again, I'll be right back and actually get this open. Okay, so it turned out I was actually wrong. It does come in a box. This is actually the packaging of the Samsung Tab S4 right here. It's very similar to other Samsung products. It comes in a very similar like black box with just the Samsung colours on the front naming what it is. So this particular one is a 64GB one, has Wi-Fi, and also comes with an S Pen as well. Now I don't know how similar that is to mine, so I know mine's a Samsung Tab A, I believe, and there was like different versions. You have one with an S Pen, one without an S Pen. I don't know if this one comes with an S Pen regardless, so if you could buy it without. I didn't do a lot of research on it, I admit, because it's my dad's, it's not mine, and I didn't actually expect it to arrive this quickly. Now I think it comes in several different colours as well, of probably white and black, knowing Samsung. I think this is the black one, but I'm not sure. When we get it open we'll find out. And there's a bit more about it on the back. I don't know if you can read that. You can feel free to pause the video if you want to read it. One thing I have noticed though is it says it comes with an iris scanner. So this tablet you can actually unlock with your eyes as like an extra security measure, which is quite cool. It does say adaptive fast charging. Now Samsung has a habit of making chargers that do fast charging. It charges up really fast. It's always been really good because I've got it with my phone. Absolutely brilliant. I love the fast charging feature. And this one has got 64GB of memory, so I have just mentioned earlier, but this actually is really useful because my Samsung Tab A only has 16GB. I thought I could expand memory from memory card, but turns out you actually can't. One of the biggest problems with Samsung, if you get a tablet with them, is that if you want to get like loads of games on your tablet or put loads of work on your tablet, you can't use a memory card with it. You have to try and get the biggest memory you can. Like 64GB is great, but 16GB isn't, and I thought she worked it out way too late, so now I can't really put things on my tablet because it runs out of space really quickly. And I ended up wasting loads of money on an SD card, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. If you want to get a tablet with Samsung, they're absolutely brilliant, but please get one like this. It's got a lot more memory with 16GB. Anyway, enough talking, let's actually get this open now and actually look at the proper tablet. Again, this might take me a while, so when I get this open I'll be back. And there we have it. Here inside here is a tablet. I'm not going to take it out just yet, just simply because I don't want to like break it or anything. So I'll leave it here for a little bit longer to keep it clean and to keep it safe for me. But this is actually how the tablet will come. Here we have the S Pen. Now I don't know if the Samsung Tab S4 comes with an S Pen regardless, whether to buy it separately or whether you can buy it separately. So no, my old tablet with Samsung Tab A, it came with an S Pen, but you can buy it without an S Pen. I decided to buy it with the S Pen for a bit more money. Now I don't know why I bought it with the S Pen, because I don't ever use it. It's mainly for artists and I can't draw to save my life. But anyway, I'm going to open up the S Pen now and show you what this one looks like. Here is the S Pen for Samsung Tab S4. For comparison, this is the Samsung Tab A S Pen and this is the Samsung S4 S Pen. Now as you can see already, this one is much wider and is much easier to hold on to. And also if you look very closely, didn't you actually see it or not, the point on the S4 S Pen is actually slightly thinner and a little bit sharper. try and get you to see it if you actually can. But if you look at comparison, that one's slightly thinner and slightly sharper, so probably actually a better option to use if you're an artist. And of course we have the quick start guide, which is in every single thing I unbox. I don't know why I keep showing it to you guys, but I do anyway. And we also have, of course, the adaptive fast charging, which I mentioned a minute ago, which Samsung always does, and is honestly a really good thing. You can charge up your phone from 0% to 100% in an hour and a half. It's absolutely amazing. I cannot fault Samsung's adaptive fast charging enough. And of course, we cannot forget the actual lead needed to charge it as well. Right, so that's the end of the video. I'm going to quickly open up the tablet so you guys see what it actually properly looks like, but I'm going to put it back in afterwards so I don't end up dropping it or anything. So here is the Samsung Tab S4. As you can see, the screen is pretty big actually, and it is black just like I thought it would be. I'm not going to turn it on and set up or anything, so obviously it's not actually mine. But anyway, that's the end of the video. I really hope you guys all enjoyed that. Just before I go, I just want to say I really appreciate all the support in my last video. I just want to make you guys aware. I didn't really want to post it. It was really hard for me to post it, but I wanted you guys to be aware what's going on in my life, so that way if I don't upload for a week or don't upload for a month, you guys know what's going on. But I'm going to try my best to upload as much as I can, because I hate leaving my YouTube channel with no videos on it for ages, and also YouTube's like such a big love of my life. It's one of the only things that keeps me positive in life at the moment, so I really need to try and keep it up. So glad you guys understand if I can't upload. But anyway, despite me saying that, if you do like my content, please think about maybe subscribing to me and pressing the bell button down below so you know notified on my next upload. And I'll try my best to see you guys very, very soon. Bye.